part two of the build. This is Michael McManus Jr., 9 years old. He'll be 10 on May 22nd, 2022. Today's date is May 4th. I'm sorry, April 4th, 2022. I'm just doing 10-minute segments. Taking uploading for videos.
You want to do a star pattern around the board. Checking. Okay. H this cable. Around. Oh, he's fine. We got it. And we're good. This was hard, but yeah. you have this. After 16 GB virtual RAM.
How you doing?
Also, these are not RGB.
What was that?
These are not RGB.
What are not? Those?
Yeah.
I don't think the ones we got were RGB.
Yeah, the other ones we got, they were RGB.
Oh, I thought that they didn't have RGB that fit, so that's the one that they gave us.
It's just it's nothing. It's hard to get me in there. New line in there.
Right. You don't want to bend any of the pins.
You also have these. And then what? There you go. Pop it. There you go. There you go, guys. I'm in. Now I have to put the case in.
The case? You're gonna put it in the case?
Yep, that's all done.
It's all done?
Yeah, the motherboard.
What about the...
That's supposed to be in the case.
Okay. Power supply?
Every those three components.
Video card?
Yeah. You should open the bottom. Open the bottom.
I don't see.
The bottom you can like open the front and then open the bottom so you can see it. Took me a little while to put that in. So put the little hole. bottom.
Put it underneath you?
Yeah, I might just grab the case too.
Ground the case?
Like grab this and then put it in the ground.
Right now your board's grounded.
Yeah.
I don't know what that was.
Screws.
Okay.
Both out right now.
Want me to put it up here?
No. You should do it lay it down here. Oh, she has a bigger mat, so you can actually put it down.
So what do you want on the side here?
Yeah, you have these 4 screws. To work with these screws.
See, what was that?
Nope.
Watch out, that's like gonna fall.
No, so you can't play music.
Huh?
You can't play music.
What?
Because I'll copyright it. So you can get banned. So you want channel. I got it. This ball screw is hard.
And the back too.